I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to transfer funds from Affirm to PayPal, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Link your accounts. Start by linking your Affirm account to your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app, go to Wallet, and select Link a bank account. Follow the prompts to add your Affirm account details. Step 2. Verify your accounts. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Transfer funds to bank. Next, transfer the funds from your Affirm account to your linked bank account. Open the Affirm app, go to Payments, and select Transfer to Bank. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Step 4. Add funds to PayPal. After the funds are in your bank account, open the PayPal app. Go to Add Funds and select Add Funds from Bank. Enter the amount you want to add from your bank. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Finally, confirm the transfer in PayPal. Check your balance to ensure the funds have been added. This can take a few minutes to reflect in your PayPal account. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble moving your funds. Happy transferring!